Press and hold the time button to enter the time setting. Press the plus or minus button to set the hour. Then, press the time button to confirm. The minute icon is flashing. Press plus or minus button to set the minute. Press the time button to confirm. Press the time button to switch the 12H or 24H time format. Press the dimmer button to adjust the clock display brightness. There are 4 levels: 100%, 50%, 10% off. Alarm mode. Press and hold the alarm button to enter alarm setting mode. The hour icon will flashing. Press the plus or minus button to set the hour. Then press the alarm button to confirm. Press plus or minus button to set the minute. Then press the alarm button to confirm. Press plus or minus button to adjust the sound's volume. Press the alarm button to confirm. Snooze function. When the alarm sounds, the light turns on automatically. Tap the top metal mesh surface to activate snooze mode. During snooze, the alarm icon will flash. The alarm will sound again after 9 minutes. When the alarm goes off, you can stop it in 3 ways. 1. Press any button on the top of the device. 2. Quickly double tap the top metal mesh surface. 3. Do nothing. It will turn off automatically after 15 minutes. Sleep music mode. Press the mode button once to turn on sleep music mode. The device will begin playing sleep music. Press the plus or minus button once to increase or decrease the volume. Press and hold the plus or minus button to play the next/previous music. Bluetooth mode. Press the mode button to enter Bluetooth mode. A prompt tone will sound and BT will begin flashing. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Select T15 from the list and tap to pair. Press the plus or minus button once to adjust the volume. Press and hold the plus or minus button to skip to the next or previous song. Sleep timer. Press the timer button to cycle through timer options. Off, 30, 60, 90, 120, 240 minutes.